Seniors, even 1 cup of beet juice in the morning can transform your body. Have you ever wondered what makes a deep red beetroot so special? It's often overlooked, but when juiced, this humble root becomes a nutritional powerhouse, a vibrant drink packed with health benefits, and yet most people still don't realize just how much it can do for the body. Did you know beet juice has been used as a natural remedy for centuries? It's full of compounds that fuel your body, boost your energy, and support overall health. So what happens if you drink it every day? How does it affect your heart, your brain, your skin? Are you making common mistakes that could be reducing its benefits? In this video, we'll reveal the 12 incredible health benefits of drinking beet juice daily, how to prepare it properly, avoid the usual pitfalls, and what side effects to watch for. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. If you're new here, welcome. Help each other thrive, like, and subscribe so you never miss out. Let us know where you're watching from in the comments. We love hearing from you. All right, let's dive in. 1. Lowers blood pressure. Beet juice can help lower blood pressure fast. It's rich in natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. That's a molecule that relaxes and opens up your blood vessels, reducing strain on your heart and improving circulation. A study in the journal Hypertension found that just 1 cup per day significantly reduced blood pressure, sometimes within just a few hours. Drink it regularly, and the benefits multiply over time. 2. Boosts energy and stamina. Feeling tired? Beet juice is your natural pre-workout. Those same nitrates improve blood flow to your muscles, enhancing oxygen delivery. Athletes swear by it, and studies show it can help you exercise up to 16% longer. Clean energy, no crash, no caffeine needed. 3. Improves skin health. Want glowing skin? Beet juice works from the inside out. It purifies your blood, increases circulation, and delivers nutrients to your skin cells. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, it reduces blemishes, brightens skin tone, and stimulates collagen, smoothing fine lines and wrinkles. The result? A natural, healthy glow with no expensive products needed. 4. Supports heart health. Your heart works hard every day. Support it with beet juice. It improves circulation, strengthens heart muscles, and helps balance cholesterol, lowering LDL and raising HDL. Thanks to its potassium and antioxidants, it reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. 5. Enhances brain function. Beet juice isn't just good for the body, it's brain food. By boosting blood flow to your brain, especially the frontal lobe, it sharpens focus, improves memory, and supports long-term cognitive health. It's even more powerful when combined with exercise. 6. Promotes detox and liver health. Feeling sluggish? Your liver might need a boost? Beet juice contains betaine, a powerful compound that helps the liver flush out toxins and metabolize fat. It reduces liver inflammation and helps protect liver cells. Think of it as hitting the reset button for your system. 7. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is behind so many chronic issues: joint pain, fatigue, even disease. Beet juice fights it head-on thanks to its betalains, natural pigments with powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Many people report less joint stiffness, better mobility, and more comfort in their bodies. 8. Supports weight loss. Trying to shed a few pounds? Beet juice can help. It's low in calories, high in fiber, and helps curb cravings by keeping you full longer. It also aids digestion and boosts energy, making it easier to stay active and consistent. 9. Strengthens immunity. Beet juice is loaded with immunity-boosting nutrients like vitamin C, iron, and magnesium. It supports white blood cell production and oxygen delivery, helping your body fight off illness and stay resilient. 10. Aids digestion. Your gut will thank you. Beet juice helps regulate bowel movements, nourish your gut bacteria, and support bile production through the liver. Better digestion means better energy, better mood, and better health overall. 11th, may help fight cancer. Beet's deep red color comes from betalain's potent antioxidants that fight free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and may help prevent cancer cell growth. Research shows potential in fighting breast, colon, and lung cancers. This isn't just juice, it's protection in a glass. 12. Supports a healthy pregnancy. For moms-to-be, beet juice is a gentle, natural helper. It's rich in folate, which supports fetal brain and spinal development, iron for oxygen transport, potassium to ease cramps, and vitamin C to boost immunity. Just talk to your doctor before adding it to your routine. How to make beet juice the right way. Start with fresh, organic beets. Scrub them well. Peel if needed. Chop them up and blend with water. Want to boost the flavor? Add apple, carrot, lemon, or ginger. Drink it first thing in the morning or 2 to 3 hours before a workout. Start with half a cup, then gradually increase as your body adjusts. Side notes. Don't panic if your pee turns red, it's harmless. If you have kidney stones, talk to your doctor. Beets contain oxalates. If your blood pressure is already low, monitor it. Too much too fast? It could cause bloating or diarrhea. As always, listen to your body and enjoy in moderation. Beet juice can transform your health one glass at a time. Energy, heart, brain, skin, digestion. Try it out and let us know in the comments how it worked for you. Have you tried beet juice before? How do you like to make it? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We've got more health videos coming your way. Check out the next video we picked just for you, and we'll see you there.